The enhanced thrust in public relations and customer service is the driving force behind the Jamaica Customs Agency's push to bring customs to the communities. With this in mind, the agency made a stop in the Sunshine City of Portmore for its Customs Meets the Community engagement during the last quarter of the 2018-2019 financial year.
This is our 7th engagement, and we have taken it all over the 3 counties. And this is indeed a testament of our commitment to the people that we serve in Jamaica and all over the world.
One of the things that we normally say at Customs, we do what we do, we're not looking praise for what we do. Every day, the men and women of Customs, I can tell you without fear, we put our lives on the line for the people of Jamaica because we live here and our families live here.
And speaking about customs officials doing what they do, residents of Portmore received much information about the collaborative work that the JCA does with other entities.
Every mail or parcel that comes in and out of Jamaica goes through the Central Post Office. And the Central Post Office, because of that, is considered to be a border. Customs is a border protection agency. So therefore, Customs is there to conduct inspection on every mail or parcel that goes through the post office. And so the picture on here was a shipment of furniture legs. And in that shipment, what you have is marijuana. So there are plaques, and you recognize the faces, right? But inside the plaques is vegetable matter. So people are ingenious. So we can't just take it at face value when things come through. We have to use the technology available to us for your protection. And these things were going out, but when things go out, other things come in that is to the detriment of the people of Jamaica.
The agency also shared with residents the procedures for importing goods.
All of us who import, we do have obligations. What are our obligations? Give accurate and complete information. We also have an obligation to answer truthfully any question raised by customs. When they don't provide us with the correct receipts, we have to research the prices for these items or refer them to valuation branch, which takes an additional time to be processed.
Another significant part of the Customs Meets the Community engagement session is the opportunity for residents to ask questions and give their feedback.
Mr. Kingsley mentioned the auction, and I don't think that is so much of public knowledge. So I'd like to know, how does the public get information on the auction?
In short, if you import items into the country and they are on our ports in excess of 14 days and you do not come for them, right? Customs will send them to the Queen's Warehouse. We have 3 Queen's Warehouses, and if those goods are perishable, meaning items that will spoil readily, we will sell them immediately. If those items are of a nature like a motor car, clothing, or any of those items that can be warehoused and they don't spoil, they remain in the Queen's Warehouse for 3 months. And then we advertise them for 1 month, right? On the website, in the newspaper. We publish all our auctions, so any member of the public can come to our auction.
We have a question from Nenita Miles. She's from cyberspace. How can I get or apply for an import license? Or what's the requirement for importing personal goods as a returning resident? Nenita, for the import license, then we'll have to know what the commodity is that you are importing, because different agency issues different licenses and permits based on the item that you're importing. So if you're importing a motor vehicle, then you would need a license from the Trade Board Limited, right? So you may visit the Jamaica Customs Agency's website and look and click on the returning residents link, and then you will see all the items that you are entitled to as a returning resident.
In true custom style, the residents received a first-class entertainment package from the agency's very own.
Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah. This kind of fuss
Also gracing the stage was popular recording artist Elaine.
We're rising, you and I keep rising. We rising up.
People of Portmore, or valid stakeholders, we trust that the custom team was able to respond effectively to your queries, and where we were not able to answer all your questions, remember we're available in all the medium, right? The quick dot response at JA Customs, public dot relations at JA Customs, and we will seek to resolve your query in the time specified.
With the support of the Social Development Commission, the Jamaica Customs Agency will continue its quest to reach persons from every nook and cranny of Jamaica, and will make its next stop in the parish of St. Mary on Thursday, June 27, 2019 at the St. Mary's Anglican Church Hall in the parish capital of Port Maria.